Have you ever felt
Your
income,
no matter
just
how
doesn't
hard you
grow the
work,
way it should be? You are doing everything possible right, working long hours, meeting deadlines, managing teams. Yeah, some things feels very stuck. Outside, life looks very stable, but inside, you are not growing the way you deserve. If you are that, then you are at the right place at the right time. Watch this video till the end. I am going to give you some special crazy bonuses and an opportunity by which you can change your money story today. Ready? Let me share you one story. In the last couple of weeks, I have spoken more than hundreds of working professionals, engineer, project manager, consultant, and IT leader, and I noticed one very powerful pattern. The most professionals are not stuck because they lack skills. No, they are stuck because they are trapped in an outdated money belief system or the money mindset. We have been trained in our society to chase stability, not the scalability. We often told to focus on earning just salary rather than creating an income stream, which is called the multiple source of income. And that is where even after 10 to 15 years of experience, saving just like shrinking. Saving keep on shrinking, expenses keep on increasing, work stress keeps rising, and family time feels like distant. It looks like every day is work. Somewhere deep down, you know you are meant for more, but you are unsure how to break this cycle. If that's resonating so far, let me share you. The real problem is not outside, it is inside. It is not the company, it is not your boss, it is your money. Actually, your inner energy is not aligned with the money, and your goals are not aligned. And when your inner energy is operating from fear, scarcity, or survival, you keep on attracting the same financial pattern again and again. And that is where some people with the lesser experience grow 3x, 5x faster because their mindset and the vibration are tuned into the abundance, not the anxiety. They are actually tuned with the unlimited potential, not with the scarcity mindset. Until you upgrade that, you will keep running faster, but on the same treadmill. And that is why I exactly created a very powerful system called Wealth Accelerator System. The system is designed in such a way to help working professionals. First, to identify and clear the deep-rooted money blockage. Second, to reprogram your subconscious financial patterns. How you can build multiple source of income streams, and you can realign with your career and true financial freedom and wealth growth. Over 1500 plus professionals have already used and implemented these systems, and they got tremendous results. In fact, you will be amazed to know the amount using the same system. I'm going to keep that exact same systems inside our wealth accelerator systems. The first lesson is for absolutely free for all of you. Click the link and register for the lesson one free, absolutely free, where I am also going to give you three secrets. I have developed a very powerful tool called money block assessment. The link is again it's mentioned in the description. Click the link, get the self-tested done, and you will be able to identify what's exactly your money is blocked. When you will join the first free lessons or income breakthrough masterclass, where I will show you what exactly money is blocked and how you can go to the next level and how you can shift your money mindset just like this instantly and effortlessly, and how you can create a personalized wealth acceleration roadmap just for you. Click the link below and register yourself for my free upcoming masterclass. And do not forget to take the special gift which is designed for you to identify where is exactly money blockage and see the test score. Join our inner community. You will see the magics where your income started growing and multiplying. Click the link and register yourself. I can't wait to see you inside our masterclass. Do not forget to subscribe this channel because I am going to bring much more interesting videos.